Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your phone's software and battery report so you know the baseline. Open Settings and check battery or battery health. Note capacity and charge cycles. Next, remove or disable battery draining apps and enable Battery Saver to reduce background activity. Once done, perform a single calibration. Charge fully to 100% with the phone off, then use it until it shuts down to rebuild the charge curve and improve readings. Now you diagnose underlying causes. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes drain. If levels improve, uninstall suspects. Make sure your OS and firmware are current because patched battery algorithms matter. Clear the cache partition or app cache to remove corrupted data that skews readings. Additionally, test charging behavior with the original charger and a USB meter to confirm proper current. Inconsistent amps point to cable, charger, or port. Finish by deciding repair or replacement based on capacity and symptoms. If the health is under 80% or the device overheats, plan a battery swap through an authorized center to preserve safety and warranty. Before service, back up your data and remove accounts. If you prefer DIY, source an OEM-grade battery and follow teardown guides carefully. If issues persist after replacement, perform a factory reset to rule out software. If still unresolved, contact manufacturer support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.